me joining you from my home. I am coming to you today to show you how we can work on some of our investigations around line and trajectory using materials we found at home. My son Riley is helping me make this video. Right now I'm just going to talk to you about the materials I found from around my house. First, I don't have a whole lot of masking tape, but because my husband works in the field we have a lot of electrical tape at my house. So we're going to use some electrical tape. Also, I found some cardboard that I'm going to use. I raided my son's room and we have some plastic Easter eggs, we have some Legos, and we have some really cool, fun, zoomy cars. All right, so taking the electrical tape and the cardboard, I affixed them to a platform that I could then tape it to make a slope. To prop up the cardboard, I have my handy dandy Lysol wipes. Then we can have car races on the ramps. Let's see which one works best. Woo! Oh, crash. Pickup truck. Oh. Oh. That one car did the best so far. Ooh. All right. Oh, try that guy again. How about this cool army tanker? Woo! 1, 2, 3, go! All right, we're gonna do the army truck and the pickup truck together. All right, now I'm gonna do the gold and the white. I think these two are the fastest cars. Woo! All right, I have orange and green, or orange tires. 1, 2, 3, go!